Hi, fourth grade. I want to show you a vocabulary website where you can practice your words for the week. And the school has already bought this website, so you do not need to pay anything. You have a username and password that I will be emailing your parents. So look for that in the email. You're going to go to spellingcity.com, and that will be in the email. But when you get there, this is what the page will look like. Don't choose register because the school has already registered you. Choose login, and then you'll see this page with student or educator. You are a student. So I'm going to put in my son Cash's password so you can see what it looks like, the same as yours would be. Sign in. You're going to see the choice of lists and games and my records. So you want to choose lists and games. And you're going to see all of my classes lists. So if you're wondering about these superhero ones, when you get to sixth grade, I've named all of my vocab lists after different superheroes. So you'll get to do those when you get older. So fourth grade lesson 1 is right here at the top. You're going to go over and choose games. If you want to do study or test, you can do those too. So you are going to choose games. And then the important thing is that you want to change up here. Instead of all the games, you want to choose vocabulary. The spelling quiz on Friday does not, or the vocab quiz on Friday does not have any spelling questions. You do not need to know, do not need to know how to spell the vocab words. You're going to match the words with the definitions. You're going to use the words in sentences, and you are going to draw pictures and explain what the words mean, just like we did for the homework last Friday, okay? So you can choose any of these games to play. I would like you to work on the vocab on Spelling City for at least 10 minutes. Um, if you go to my records up here, then you'll be able to see how long you spent on each activity. So you could tell when you've reached your 10 minutes. So I'd like you to spend between now and Friday 10 minutes working on the vocabulary questions. If you have any questions, send me an email. Hope you enjoy this, that it's something different to use to study from. Bye, guys.